Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change your background in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to the right hand corner to customize, and then you can as it as a shortcut, or you can color and theme and just have it all black if you want to. I choose the black one and I love it, or a white one, I don't know, but yep. And then you can have no background at all if you want to. Color and theme. Oh my god, it's bad. But yeah, I recommend having it in black. And yeah, this is how you can do it. So you customize background, upload from device, and you just choose whatever picture you got. It doesn't matter. It's up to you what you choose. But have a great day, everybody. And goodbye.